So I'm really thrilled to have you here because you say you have a foolproof technique for us today, right?
Yes, I do. It's so fun and simple. Anyone can do it.
In other words, the remedial baker, Rachael, can do it. Okay, let's get started.
Okay.
What are we gonna do?
It's my marbled honey glaze. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some honey.
Oh, can I squeeze the bear?
Yes.
I love the bear belly.
It's about half of a tablespoon.
Oh, or a little more.
Or a little more. We love honey, right? It's so delicious. And then
bear.
And then we add some milk and we add a little lemon juice.
Stir this?
We do. We stir that, and then the lemon juice helps balance out the sweetness of all the powdered sugar we're going to use. And then we use some clear vanilla extract because we don't want it to tint
the color.
Yes. And then also, it says to sift your powdered sugar in my recipe, but you really don't have to. You can just throw it all in.
That's my girl.
Yes. So
that's what would happen in my house.
And then it does take a second to all incorporate and mix up.
Oh, look, here's one all
done.
done.
Perfect. And this will sit for just a second, and it will bring up some air bubbles, and you can just
Oh, I see. You're just popping the air bubbles out?
Yes.
So far, I could do this. Legit.
Yes, absolutely. And then what we're going to do is this is how we're going to color it.
Okay.
So we're going to use our red food coloring, and you want to use liquid. You don't want to use gel for this.
Okay.
And then we're going to add like 3 drops.
I didn't even know it came in liquid and gel, much like nail polish.
So 3 drops. Super easy. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to make some beautiful swirls in there. So we're just going to... It's kind of like art, right? A little soothing.
Sure.
Yes, beautiful.
It is especially soothing to watch the colors swirl.
Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, and then that's perfect.
It's like therapy.
And then we're gonna grab a cookie.
Okay.
And we are gonna dip it straight down
Look,
into
Mom,
our
I'm
honey
having
glaze.
fun decorating cookies.
I'm gonna pull up my sleeves a little bit. Okay,
Okay.
so we're gonna dip it straight down into the glaze until the glaze puffs up a little bit. It's okay to get your fingers in, but when it puffs up on the side, you know that you've got it completely coated. And this is where the magic happens. You hold it for a sec, and then you flip it over, and look at that. So you're gonna drop it down, and then you're gonna pull it up, pull it up. It's kind of like taffy, it'll be thick. So you gotta pull it straight up. It's okay, straight up, just for a second, and then flip it over. Look, it's beautiful. Anyone can do it.
I made a swirly
Beautiful.
Nice. Hers is way nicer, but whatever.
And then a towel to wipe all that extra off.
Anyway, there's an entire book of great ideas like this. Could you hear the audience when you were backstage? They were oohing and eyeing at your poinsettia cookies there. They were like, oh, this is so fun.
There's so many more ideas in there.
There's 500?
500 step by step. Step by step, and you can see
500 ideas.
Yes.
It will take you until next Christmas to make them all. That is brilliant. And Creative Cookie Decorating is the book by Emily Hutchinson, and she is a cookie goddess.